Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Apps Academy. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change app icon on your Reddit application using a mobile device. To change your app icon on Reddit, first of all, open up your Reddit app and then make sure that you're logged in as well. Once you're in the home page of Reddit, tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. Now, from the expanded menu, click on Settings. Inside Settings, look for Change App icon and tap on it. Now you will be able to see the available icons. Some are seasonal or themed. Simply go ahead and tap the one that you'd like and click on OK. And right after you do that, if you go to your home screen, and you will be able to see that the Reddit application has now been changed its icons. If you found the video helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel for more easy Reddit contents. I'll be back in the next video. Thanks for watching.